hi. I've been chatting to loads of people that have had this horrible like chest over Christmas, and I just wanted to share something with you. It's like an old wives' tale, and I've used it for years and years and years. Last few days I've started to feel a bit, you might be able to hear me now, I've started to feel a little bit chesty, and I had a really bad sore throat. Now generally from like September through to March I have about 25 little drops of echinacea, like a tincture, in a little bit of water, and I take my vitamins in the morning, and that usually steers any nasties off. But this year it's like sort of grabbed me, and yesterday I thought, right, I need to do something, because this is my busiest time of the year with everybody sort of detoxing, so colonics are really popular. So last night I did an Epsom salts bath. I chopped up some raw onion, and I put the raw onion on the soles of my feet. So soles of my feet, wrapped my feet in cling film, and then put some old bed socks on. My husband was like, oh my goodness, it stinks in here, I'm going to spare room. So I was like, look, I don't want to be up coughing all night anyway, I can really feel it. So I went to bed about 6-7 o'clock, because I really felt quite dreadful, to be honest. So I put the raw onions on the soles of my feet, and I just chopped an onion in half and just put that in like a little tub, and just put that just at the side of my bed. So it stunk in the bedroom, but this morning I thought I'd wake up and I thought I'd feel absolutely dreadful, and I feel alright. Yeah, I'm still a little bit oof. And what I also did was, as well, I gargled with some probiotics. Probiotics are great for like a sore throat. So I, before I went to bed, cleaned my teeth, and then rinsed all my mouth out, and then emptied a little probiotic capsule just in a tiny little bit of water. And the probiotics that I take, I either take Optibac or I take just for tummies, live bacteria, they're really good. So I gargled with that before I went to bed. So the live bacteria, any infection that's at the back of your throat, it helps to sort of steer that off and sort of kill off any nasties at the back. It's a really good tip. So raw onions, if you're feeling quite chesty, you're starting your rundown, and definitely probiotics to gargle with. So I feel so much better today. So that's some good little tips for you to hopefully help steer away all these nasty bugs that are going around, because they're really awful. And I hope you all feel a bit better soon, because it's not a nice time of year. So take care, and I'll see you soon.